Hi everyone, today I'm going to remove waterproof mascara with a new product. I am using L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and lot of people ask me how to remove L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara because it's really difficult to remove. So let's test the product. Come with me to the washroom. L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara is one of my favorite mascara. It's a waterproof mascara and really difficult to remove. So today I thought why not to use this product. This is Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm and I got the sample product from Nika when I bought some products from Clinique brand. This I am using it for the first time. So let's test the product. So this one is little oily type of texture and I use lot of cleansing balm to clean my makeup, but this one is new for me. So I took some amount and then I'll massage all over my eye area to remove the mascara. I know it will take little time because it's a waterproof mascara. So let's do it. See, everything came off, my kajal, my mascara and eyeshadows and everything, and I look like ghost. This one is a cleansing wipe. I bought it from Earth Rhythm and you have to wet it little bit with water and then we can wipe all the makeup. So in this little quantity balm, I can see I can remove whole face makeup and everything is clean and clear. I don't have any mascara left on my eyelashes. Double cleansing with the same product. See, sometimes I do with other cleansing balm, so I thought I should try this also. So with water, I will massage little bit. It also becomes like milk. So you need to massage it like a face wash, face cleanser. Almost done, and now we have to wash this off with water. If you use lukewarm water, it will be really good. After washing the face, I can find it little different. I have used lot of cleansing balm, but this one is totally different. I feel like I am wearing a moisturizer and my skin is totally hydrated. My skin is little dry side and I am really satisfied with this cleansing balm. I think I am going to buy the big one.